Do I need a meat grinder attachment for my KitchenAid Stand Mixer? The food grinder allows you to make from scratch with fresh, wholesome ingredients. Experiment with new recipes like spiced empanadas, Chinese dumplings, date and nut energy bars, or cauliflower rice. It uses the power of the KitchenAid Stand Mixer motor to help you tackle a variety of tasks. The large food tray allows you to load even more fresh ingredients into the grinder. The coarse grinding plate is great for grinding raw meats and combining ingredients for homemade salsa or falafel. Swap in the fine grinding plate to quickly grate hard cheeses and make breadcrumbs. When prepping meat, a cold temperature is important. This metal food grinder can be pre-chilled in the refrigerator or freezer to give you a clean grind when preparing meat. Use the food grinder with the sausage stuffer kit to easily make delicious fresh sausages. Or attach the fruit and vegetable strainer to make smooth sauces, jams, and baby foods. Both the KitchenAid Food Grinder and Metal Food Grinder come packed and organized inside their own storage case, designed for easy storage and quick access. Transform your stand mixer into the culinary center of your kitchen with grinder attachments and more. Explore over 10 more attachment options today at KitchenAid.com.